Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Before you see the video, please like this channel and subscribe it. Thank you very much.
The Percheron is traditionally grey and of French origin. It has been the mount of choice for the parade commanders at the Pakistan Military Academy. With heavy muscling, an aspect of ruggedness and power, broad and muscular chest, straight and strong legs and feet, plenty of back rib, broad and full forehead, straight face, a powerful neck covered with thick mane, big prominent eyes bespeaking intelligence, refined ears, and above all a good temperament, mild disposition and longevity. The Percheron has all the reasons to endear itself to the selectors. The present adjutant's charger, Prince Pride, named after its sire, born in 1994, was received at the Pakistan Military Academy in 2001. It has stood in 13 passing out parades and has 6 more years before it retires and joins the 25-year-old Seagull, the adjutant's retired charger. Who is now a free horse, as free as the birds. Seagull was purchased by the Academy on the expiry of its service and is retained as a guest in its stable at the Polo and Saddle Club. Of the 350 breeds, only a few qualify to be the parade horses. The young horses are allowed to grow to an age of 3.5 years with little burden. After that, a period of 39 weeks extensive training follows. A parade charger is normally handed over to Pakistan Military Academy at the age of 4 years. The arrival of a new and young parade charger at the Pakistan Military Academy's Polo and Saddle Club is a celebrated occasion. It is received by its nominated trainer and groom, whose first duty is to make the charger feel comfortable and help it shed off the anxiety of displacement. This charger will be housed in a separate stall at the club, an area earmarked for the parade horses. Here it will receive special veterinary care and specified diet that will keep it alert, active, and energetic. At the appropriate time, the training specific to the Academy's need begins. In addition to the routine riding, it is trained in standing tall, with grace and respectable bearing. The horse is acclimatized to all kinds of sounds that it may encounter, such as drum beats, clapping, etc. It must keep its calm even during rain, thunder, and strong winds. Through training and diet control, an effort is made to restrain it from defecating or urinating during the parades. It must also feel comfortable with its ceremonial trappings and regalia and move around with grace and elegance. On appointment, as the first assignment, the adjutant calls on its parade charger in its stall. He bears in mind the importance of the first meeting. The horses have a keen sense of smell, and with the first touch, guess what the rider may be like. After a briefing by the officials, the trainer and groom, who initiates the contact by patting him and giving some assuring whispering and a lump of sugar as a reward. His confidence and affection makes the charger feel comfortable and lays the foundation for harmonious relations during their time together. The horse is saddled, and the new rider takes him out riding. This will be a frequent activity with the duo in the coming days. Resulting in bondage and gradually acquiring the ability to respond to their mutual clues. He learns his horse's body language and especially to comprehend the messages his horse can send by the position of its ear. Temperamental adjustment and understanding between the rider and the charger ensures harmony, elegance, and grace at the parades. Bumping trot, besides walk, is the recurrent activity practiced since that is the most used form of movement in the parade ground. The charger also masters climbing stairs with ease and sophistication.
It's good, boy.
The charger is trained to perform in parade or ceremonial activities during day and night in different weathers. This is the day of a passing out parade. The bond established between the rider and the mount will be put to test. His companion, the parade charger, and the adjutant will have 1,000 eyes riveted on them. The duo is preparing to take the center stage.
جناب پاکستان ملتری اکادمی صدر براد حاضر.
With pride and elan, the adjutant will lead the parade. The horse is the best friend a man can.
उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें और कमेंट ज़रूर करें. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you must have liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe it and please do leave your comments. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye.